Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining the exam canvas so formatting won't shift later. Set page size and margins, then pick a consistent font and line spacing. This keeps question lengths predictable. Next, create a header with the institution name and paper code so every page is labeled. Once done, save a template copy to avoid accidental changes and make sure autosave is on. That reduces rework if formatting needs to be reapplied later. Now you type questions using numbered lists and sublevels to maintain automatic numbering. This prevents manual renumbering errors. Apply predefined styles for main questions, sub-questions, and instruction text so you can change appearance globally without reformatting each item. For objective sections, use tables to align choices neatly. Once the core content is entered, navigate with the navigator pane to confirm hierarchy and make sure list levels are correct before adding marks or page breaks between sections. Finish by inserting marks, total time, and examination instructions clearly at the start. This informs students and examiners. Run spelling and grammar, then inspect print preview to catch widows, orphans, and page breaks that split questions awkwardly. Make layout tweaks with paragraph spacing or manual breaks if needed. Finally, export to PDF and print a single test copy to verify margins and pagination. If printing errors appear, check printer scaling and re-export with actual size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.